Okay,
Going?
we're rolling, yep.
3, 2, 1. It's the first weigh-in for the Des Moines Cycle Club's Pedal Off the Pounds program. 22 weeks of health and fitness. And it's patterned after that hit show on television. It's called The Biggest Boozer.
No. It's The Biggest Loser.
I'm in trouble.
And I get that when I'm done.
Okay, I'm going to be over here.
Where you want me at?
Right there. So you can kind of come towards me.
It's recording right now.
That's okay. That's all right. So, okay, right there. Do you see the people over here doing stuff?
Yes.
Cecil B. DeMille would be proud. All right, ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's the first weigh-in for what's known as the Des Moines Cycle Club's Pedal Off the Pounds program. 22 weeks of health and fitness. It's patterned after that hit show called The Biggest Boozer. And we're all here.
No. I missed my cue.